Okay, good evening, my dear students. Now we are going to discuss types of myocytes and what are the types of meiotic divisions on the base of type of the myocyte in which meiotic divisions are possible. Okay, already little bit we initiated, and again I'll recap that part. Types of meiosis. Thank you. Okay, so types of meiosis and myocytes. 1 minute. Stay like that. Stay like that, please. Stay like that. Okay, thanks. Okay, so types of meiosis. Actually, all the events which are taking place in meiosis, same only, but here I gave you types of meiosis. Types of meiosis means on the basis of meiocyte only. So first one, type of meiosis is first one, first evolved type, zygotic meiosis. Zygotic or initial meiosis. Zygotic or initial meiosis. First evolved type of meiosis. So how to understand zygotic or initial meiosis? Okay, right? I will give you examples later. First, in certain number of organisms, particularly algae and fungi, dominant plant body is a gametophyte. So main phase, main organization, main body. For example, in our body, diploid cells, haploid cells are present. Diploid, main generation, the visible one. Our gametes are haploid. Like that, in plants also two generations are present, gametophyte and sporophyte. So organisms, those which are having this type of meiosis and meiocyte, are with a gametophyte. Gametophyte is one type of generation. Gametophyte as the dominant generation. Gametophyte. Okay, so what is the ploidy of this gametophyte? Haploid, N. N, some number of chromosomes, whatever the number of chromosomes, haploid. Okay, and producing gametes, both male and female gametes. Gametes, haploid, and fertilization between male and female gametes. Fertilization between male and female gametes, and product is a zygote. Please mute. And that is diploid. Please mute. Please mute. Now this zygote is undergoing meiosis. Here meiosis, reduction. So meiosis. So zygote is undergoing meiosis. So here, what type of meiosis? Zygotic meiosis. Zygotic meiosis. And product is spores. They are haploid. Yes. వస్తుందిగా అవునా ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది అదృష్టం థ్యాంక్ యూ థ్యాంక్ యూ visible? Anybody please respond?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So spore, and the spore is haploid. Now mitosis, mitotic division. Okay, so here diploid structure is just zygote only. So zygote is a meiocyte. So in this one, here I'll write you. What about the type of meiocyte? Meiocyte is zygote. Zygote is undergoing meiosis. Hence the name zygotic meiosis. Zygotic meiosis. First evolved type of meiosis. Hence the name initial meiosis. And zygote is undergoing meiosis. Okay, right? So zygotic or initial meiosis is with the zygote as a meiocyte. Okay, and this is the life cycle: gametophyte, gametes, fertilization, zygote, meiosis, spores, mitosis, gametophyte. This is one type of life cycle. Here, this life cycle is a haplontic type of life cycle. Haplontic life cycle. Okay, next, other description required in this case. Zygotic meiosis means no embryo formation, embryo absent. Third one, no sporophyte. So plants which are having this type of meiosis are non-embryophytes. Embryo absent, non-embryophytes. Okay, so here the thing is zygote is meiocyte. Remember this one. And examples, what about the examples for this one? Most of the ఆల్గే. నాచు నాచు అంటాం కదా మనం, పాకుడు పట్టింది. మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆల్గే అండ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ఫంగై. Okay, so algae and fungi with zygote as a meiocyte. So simply, what we are studying? Meiosis. In all sexually reproducing organisms, meiotic division is mandatory at the time of formation of either spores or gametes. So in this type of life cycle, at the time of formation of spores, zygote is undergoing meiosis. Okay, so first evolved meiosis, zygotic meiosis or initial meiosis. Any objection? Is it clear? Okay,
Yes, sir.
take down, copy it. Now I am erasing it. Shall I erase it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next, second one. Sporic or intermediate meiosis. Sporic or intermediate, next evolved one. Second evolved meiotic division. So what about the life cycle? First life cycle, then only you can understand what is a sporic meiosis. For example, gametophyte. Here also I am taking gametophyte as the dominant one. Okay. From gametophyte, gametes are produced. Haploid, gametes haploid. Up to here, no problem, same. Now fertilization between gametes. Fertilization, this one, fertilization, and zygote is produced. Zygote. So this one is diploid to N. Haploid, haploid, diploid. So now here zygote is undergoing mitosis, not meiosis. Mitosis, mitotic division, and embryo produced. Okay, now that embryo is developed into sporophyte. Sporophyte. Okay, so this one is a sporophyte. Right, now from sporophyte, sporangium. Sporangium means a globose structure, spherical structure, globose, spherical structure producing spores. Sporangium. So inside the sporangium, spore, mother cells, spore mother cells. They are diploid. Okay. Spore mother cells. Spore mother cells. Now, spore mother cells are undergoing meiosis. Here it is the meiosis. And spores are produced. Ploid is definitely haploid. Now mitosis. Mitosis. Okay, so life cycle completed. Here the question is, out of all these events or cells, what about the meiocyte here? Meiocyte is a spore mother cell. Spore mother cells undergoing meiosis. Spores are produced. So write down here in this life cycle, whatever the type of life cycle, I will give you life cycle at the end. So here meiocyte is meiocytes. Meiocytes are spore mother cells. Okay, meiocytes are spore mother cells. Next, second one, zygote is mitocyte. Mitocyte undergoing mitosis only, not meiosis. So definitely embryo produced. Embryo produced. So they are embryophytes. Embryophytes. Okay. Next, fourth one, sporophyte present. So this is one example only. This is one example to understand the concept. Okay. Now, sporic meiosis is present in come back. So this one is a life cycle haplodiploidic life cycle. Don't worry about life cycles. We will discuss life cycles at the time of plant kingdom. But here, if you understand this one, you can understand that life cycle there very easily. Haplo, gametophyte, diplophase. Gametophyte, haploid. Sporophyte, diploid. So both the phases are present. So hence the name haplodiploidic type of life cycle. Okay, so example I'm writing here, bryophytes. This one, bryophytes. We'll see what is bryophyte. Don't worry about bryophyte. Presently, that is not required. Just I'm explaining by taking that one as an example, and that is part of NCERT textbook only. We will see this one under the heading plant kingdom biological classification. There we will discuss. Just to understand meiosis, I'm giving here. Sporic meiosis is present in what are the examples? All bryophytes. All pteridophytes. These are the plants, plant groups. All gymnosperms. All angiosperms. Okay, so that is about sporic meiosis. Sporic meiosis. Just remember, spore mother cells are undergoing meiosis. Here I will give you See, spore mother cells diploid usually, they undergo meiosis and the spores are produced. Okay, copy it, take down. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir. Sir, please wait, just wait.
Okay, okay. Don't worry about this content. Just remember this statement. Just to understand that statement, I gave this much amount of information. Okay, don't worry about this information.
Completed, sir.
Okay, now I'm erasing the board.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now third one, gametic or terminal terminal meiosis. Last one ended here. Gametic terminal meiosis. Now we can take human beings. Now we can take human being. Take human being, no problem. But here we should not write a sporophyte and gametophyte. That is a problem. Okay. So take sporophyte. Diploid. Okay. So main body is diploid. Sporophyte. Okay. So from this one directly I'm taking gamete mother cells. Gamete mother cells, male gamete and female gamete mother cells. Male gamete, female gamete mother cells. I'm reducing content to understand the concept. Now, meiosis. Meiosis. Okay, so meiosis completed. Now gametes are produced. Gametes haploid. What about here? Diploid. Now, fertilization between male and female gametes. Fertilization. And zygote. And in zygote, mitosis. Zygote is undergoing mitotic divisions. and embryo producer. So embryo, by means of further repeated mitotic divisions, converted into sporophyte. So dominant plant body, sporophyte. Okay. Gamete mother cells, meiosis, gametes, fetulation, zygote, embryo, mitosis, that into sporophyte. Okay. So here, what are the meiocytes?
Sir,
Gamete. Wait. I'll come back to you. Yes. What is your objection?
sir, middle video stuck. That's why
Uh-huh.
in
Disturbance.
the middle the video are stuck, sir.
Video stuck.
Now it's okay, sir.
Yeah. If I come here, automatically getting stuck because of autofocus or something. Now okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, what about the meiocytes here? Gamete mother cells. Gamete mother cells. So, in this case, no gametophyte. No gametophytic generation. Where is the gametophyte? No gametophyte. Okay, right? So, here the thing is, what are the meiocytes here? I will give you gamete mother cells. Gamete mother cells diploid, they undergo meiosis, and gametes are produced. Okay, right? So here, what are the meiocytes? Gamete mother cells are meiocytes. Hence the name gametic meiosis. Gametic meiosis. Okay, so gametic meiosis is present in, what are the examples? This type of meiosis is present in fucus, alga, an algal member. Okay, next, gymnosperms, angiosperms, and animals also. Animals. We are also having animals. In our body also, what are the meiocytes? Gamete mother cells are meiocytes. Male gamete and female gamete mother cells.
So in the
Are
previous example, you have given all gymnosperms and angiosperms.
okay. Sorry. Wait. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Algae and animals. Sorry for that. Animals. This is the correct one. Fucus, alga, and animals. Okay, Swagat?
Okay, sir.
Copy it. Okay, completed.
Yes, sir.
Now I am arranging the board.
Okay, sir.
Now, for NEET, I will give you some shortcut for this one, for NEET examination. So, remember this one, myocytes. One, zygote as a myocyte possible. Second one, spore, mother cells. Third one, gamete, mother cells. Gamete mother cells. Yes, yes, 1 minute, please. Gamete mother cells. Gamete mother cells. Okay. So these are the types of myocytes possible throughout the animal and plant kingdom. Okay, so most of the animals, almost all animals are having male and female gametes as mother myocytes. In the case of plant members, plants, zygote has a myocyte possible, spore mother cell, gamete mother cell also. But in the case of animals, most of the animals are having gamete mother cells as myocytes. Okay, copy that one.
సార్ టర్మినల్ మియోసిస్ లా లైఫ్ సైకిల్ పేరు చెప్పలేదు.
I'm not getting your voice properly. What is your doubt?
టర్మినల్ మియోసిస్ లా లైఫ్ సైకిల్ పేరు చెప్పలేదు.
Leave it, not required. Just I gave you. We'll study life cycle separately. Here it is not required. Just remember these things enough. Don't worry about life cycle. We will see life cycle under the heading biological classification plant kingdom.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
It is not required here. Just I gave you to understand the concept one. So remember this one. This is enough. Okay. Copy it. Right. Now, what are the events present in meiosis? Now, what about different phases? Phases of meiosis. So, what are the events or phases present in meiosis? Right. First one, meiosis 1. First part of meiosis. Meiosis 1. In meiosis 1, what about the phases? First one, interphase. Interphase 1. In interphase 1, what are the subphases? G1, S, G2 phases, same as these, mitosis. Okay, so interphase completed. Next, the second one, division phase. Division phase. In division phase, subphases are present. What are they? One, karyokinesis. Karyokinesis 1. And this is division phase 1 of meiosis 1. In karyokinesis, various subphases are present. What are they? 1, prophase 1. Prophase 1. In prophase 1, again subphases are present. What are they? What are the subphases present in prophase 1? 1, leptotene. Just I am giving phases only. We will discuss events which are taking place during all these phases. Leptotene. Meiosis is a very complicated one. Okay, leptotene. 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 And next one, zygotene. Next, pachytene. Fourth one, pachytene. Next, diplotene. Diakinesis. Diakinesis. Left. Just I am giving phases only. We will discuss what are the events tomorrow, not today. Leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene, diakinesis. So what about the total number of subphases present in prophase 1? 5 subphases. Okay, right? Next. Metaphase 1. Anaphase 1. Telophase 1. Okay, so karyokinesis 1 completed. Now, cytokinesis 1. Okay, so now meiosis 1, first part completed. And the second part, meiotic division, second part. Like Bahubali 1 and 2. Now meiosis, second part. These two, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, both are part of meiosis only. Okay, so here, first one, interkinesis. Interkinesis or interphase 2. Interphase 2. Okay, so here also subphases. What are they? 1, G1, second one, G2. No S phase. No S phase. Synthetic phase is not required. Absent. Okay. Next. Division phase. Division phase 2. And here karyokinesis 2. Okay, in this karyokinesis, what are the subphases? 1, prophase. Prophase 2, metaphase 2. This is more complicated. Metaphase 2. Next, anaphase 2. Fourth one, telophase 2. And finally, cytokinesis 2 completed. Okay, so these are subphases and phases. Here the thing is very, very important. What about the number of times of karyokinesis? This is karyokinesis 1. Next karyokinesis 2. 2 karyokinesis 2 times. Remember this one. Okay, so number of times of karyokinesis 1 and 2. 2 times of karyokinesis. And how many times DNA replication? S phase means DNA replication. DNA replication only one time. Only one time of DNA replication. Here no DNA replication. No DNA replication. No DNA replication. Okay, so what about the number of times of karyokinesis? 2 times of karyokinesis. But chromosome division only one time. Okay, copy it. Today enough. Take down, copy it. Copy it, please. How many joined? How many are there? Swagat?
19, sir.
Okay. Copy this one. We will discuss each and every subphase. What are the events present in each and every one? It is a huge one, complicated one. So many events are there. Completed?
Yes, sir. So can we leave?
Yes, leave. Okay, bye. See you. We will meet tomorrow. Today enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye. See you. Right. Bye. See you. We will meet tomorrow.